Guys, make sure to stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repair diagnostics that you may actually not even need. So let's explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Mechanics. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find where the AC clutch, AC compressor clutch fuses relays are located on that Jeep Grand Cherokee, that generation here. Guys, please do not waste any money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video. It could be quite simple fix. And after that, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, AC components, clutches, anything like that, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmission, codes, fuses, relays, because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these free videos. By the way, guys, if you have a Jeep Grand Cherokee with a V6 3.6 engine, guys, we'll have video on that engine, replacing, taking it completely apart, replacing almost any component you can think of, transmission as well. Why we do that? To save you money. Check it out. All this video will be on the channel. Guys, in addition, on our YouTube channels, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So for the AC clutch, guys, AC compressor clutch, which fuses and relays we need to check? We'll demonstrate on that generation Jeep Grand Cherokee right here. Depending on the year and the model, you will have two different types of fuse boxes. We'll explain about each one of those, but what you need to do, you need to open the hood. Facing the engine on the left side, this is your main engine fuse box. You have a couple of tabs that you press, lift the cover, and underneath you have a fuse box with a layout like this one for 2014 to year 2022, and this is 2011 to 2013. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. Let's first explain about 2011 to 2013 for the earlier models, guys. What we need to locate here. The first fuse is fuse M11, and M11 will be that fuse right here, that 10 amp fuse that you see right here. Let's zoom in so we can clearly see this fuse right here will need to be checked, guys. Next, you need to locate fuse J13, okay, right here, J13. Next, we need to locate fuse number M27. This is that 10 amp fuse right here. And next we need to locate fuse number after that M34, and that will be that 10 amp fuse right here. Now if you have, guys, 2014 to 2022, things will differ completely. Okay, there is nothing common with those. We're first talking about, guys, okay, fuse F13 right here. You need to check that fuse. Then we go to after that to F37, guys. Okay, and F37 here, the fuses do not make any sense, but it will be this fuse right here. Excuse me, this one. Some systems will have that one right here, the little fuse F37. Then you go to fuse F49, this one right here. Now you go to F62, so that's 57, 8, 9, 61, 62. That fuse right here will need to be checked. Next, you need to locate fuse number 99, this fuse right here. And after that, we need to check fuse number 103. Okay, you may or may not have this one. If you have it, it will be right here. And then you need to locate relay K16. right here. That's the relay. Those are the main fuses and relays. Guys, if you have problem with climate control system, heater, AC, air conditioner not working, we have special videos on the channel why AC does not work, why heater does not work. Check those videos, guys. They're on the channel that will explain the top 10 things, how to diagnose it, how to test different components, and common mistakes we see here at the garage as well. Check it out, all that will be on the channel. Guys, as you can see, this Jeep Grand Cherokee has all kinds of different fuses, relays, JKs, mini blade fuses, the CB fuses, different kinds of relays as well, depending on the year and model, they may differ, but some of those could be really hard to find if you're in the middle of nowhere. That's why, guys, what we recommend, we always keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll share the links in the description of the video below. Check it out, where we get most of our tool supplies from as well. We can get fuses, relays, usually at a good price there as well. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Our mission is to save you as much money as we can. Thank you for watching and see you next time.